Hello my friends, and we are back. As I mentioned last time, today we are going to finally fill whole space with the gravel. So my friends, let me show you how I'm going to do it.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
My friends, so we have a little technical obstacle here. The machine was super old and the hydraulic oil was already really hot, so my friend told me he will continue tomorrow because he is able to work only 1 hour. But my friends, no worries, the terrace is almost full down here. Tomorrow he will continue this direction and then continue with the space for a house. Yeah, but no worries, few days and it will be done. And as a next step, I'm going to apply a little bit of manpower and with a shovel just, you know, make a nice surface. As you saw, today we finished the whole terrace, so it's done, and now we are going to apply a little bit of gravel on the top of all sewage pipes to prevent the damage when the machine will be filling also this space. So we will see how much time we will have today, but we are going to do as much as possible. My friends, we are back. At first, one information, I'm so sorry I was not able to make a video how the guy was putting this sand inside. And the plan for today, my father are helping me today, so we need to transfer this bump of sand to another side down there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish these gray pipes. I need to finish it till the wall because this is like a connection of the sewage pipe system, and this is like a pipe for a condensation for future ice conditioning and for a chimney. So I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to also take a shovel and transfer the sand.
feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh.
We covered all pipes, yeah, because I was scared if some big stone will just drop on it and crash it. So we prevent it right now like this, and tomorrow my friend will be here again and will fill all this space with another big stash of gravel. And this one I'm going to use this old orange guy down there tomorrow, and I will just, you know, push it here and prevent that much manual work. So that's the plan. Hello there, my friends. We have a little change here. Finally we had the end of this heat wave, so finally it's really good outside, but it's super wet, it's muddy everywhere, but we anyhow have to continue. Today we are going to continue with this full place of gravel, but I'm going to again use my old orange friend. Yeah, it saved me a lot of time.
Just the way you like it. The way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
So my friends, I just really push it a little bit further with the excavator, and now I'm going to take a shovel and make it nice and smooth and prepare a space for, again, for the machine with the front loader to really fill it a little bit more. So now is the time for a manual work.
Turn up the dial. You know what you gotta do. Get wild. You ain't gotta play it cool. Get wild. Take a rocket to the moon. Get wild. Get wild. Get wild.
Good morning everybody. Today really we have a change of the weather. It's freezing outside, 15 degrees, but we still continue. And finally today we are going to finish all this spot.
That big smile. Go on, child. Turn up the dial. You know what you gotta do. Get wild. You ain't gotta play it cool. Get wild. Take a rocket to the moon. Get wild. Get wild. Turn up the dial. They keep coming back. They keep coming back to you. They keep coming back. They keep coming back to you. You know what you gotta do. 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 Get wild. You ain't gotta play it cool. Get wild. Take a rocket to the moon.
Excavator is gone now. Everything is filled, and now we have to manually with a shovel to smooth the surface a little bit, and then we are going to use this baby and try to harden the surface. So that's the plan for today. So, and now is the time. We need to start this this beast. So the terrace is finished, and now we are preparing the places under the below the house. So we are going to prepare all this space, also this one, and then use this machine, and it will be finished, my friends. So everything is hardened, but we found out that now we need to apply another maybe 5 or 10 centimeters of material. So we are going to apply the final layer, and then I think it will be done.
Monday, another week, I can't believe I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Wednesday, and I can't wait to get away. I'm counting down the minutes till it's Thursday. I'm holding on for one more day. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend.
I didn't believe it. Yeah, I hope in it, but I didn't believe it. My friends, it's done. We finish it. We finish our plan for today. It was really tough work, so definitely we deserve your subscription, like, support, comment, and whatever. So do not hesitate. Guys, as you can see, it's prepared to really lay the concrete, the final deck on the top, and we'll be one step further in our construction of the house. So my friends, that's it for today's video, and we will see in next one.